Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix issues with Hotspot on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings, and then we need to open connection and sharing. Then go to personal hotspot. Over here, of course, we can enable the personal hotspot, and usually this option is also enabled to automatically turn off personal hotspot, which makes the hotspot, which disables the hotspot after 10 minutes if nothing is connected to our hotspot. So keep that in mind. And if your friend has issues with joining or connecting to your hotspot, you can try to use the QR code that can be generated by pressing this QR code over here. And then you can try to share the QR code, let the other device scan in order to try to connect with the hotspot. Or you can also try setting up an easy password that is easy to enter, and we need to use at least 8 characters in order to save the password. So after you set something easy, then you can press save. But before you do that, you can also adjust other settings like the AP band. So you might need to switch the AP band. You might need to make sure that the hide hotspot option is not enabled. And over here we also have use Wi-Fi 6. So you can of course use Wi-Fi 6, however in some cases, perhaps for some devices, this might be the issue. This might cause the issue and make our hotspot not visible for other devices. So try turning off Wi-Fi 6 as well if you have it enabled. And then we can press, of course, save to adjust the settings. Now, if the password still didn't help, like the easy password that you have set up still didn't help, if the other device cannot connect to your hotspot as well, then there is one more thing that you can do. So we're gonna go back to the main menu of the settings, and over here we need to open system and update, and here go to backup and reset, then choose reset phone, and over here you can choose reset network and Bluetooth settings. And after that, once you reset network and Bluetooth settings, you will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. So you might need to go back to the settings and connect to Wi-Fi one more time, and also make sure that the mobile data is enabled as well as your SIM card over here. Now, if that doesn't help, if you have reset everything and enabled back everything and the hotspot is turned on now and it still doesn't work, then try to use reset all settings instead, which resets every setting that you have on this device, including the network settings. And after that option one more time, you will need to go back and re-enable everything that is key to have enabled, like the Wi-Fi of course and the mobile network that I mentioned. So after that, go back to the connection and sharing, choose personal hotspot, and then enable personal hotspot and go through the hotspot settings to set it up one more time, and then give it a try. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.